Now that all the decorative elements are made up, time to start getting the paint and weathering done. I'm doing it up to match in with the projects that I've done previously with the Predator mask and the Predator shuriken. The only major difference is this time around I'm adding a little bit of blue to shine through on some of the layers. The cloth that I'm using to spread the paint around has just been wet down with some mineral turpentine, just to act as a thinner for the paint so that I can highlight all those fine details on the surface of the metal. Once I've got a few layers of paint on the surface, you can see me using some maple wood stain to add a bit more of a bronze or copper sort of look to the surface of the metal as well. At this point the whole thing's been sprayed now with a gloss lacquer, and I'm starting to add in the individual copper components to add in a bit more detail and to hide the seam lines that you can see there where the rivets are on the edges. I'm just using a black silicone to glue the copper components into place, and once they're clamped into place I let them sit overnight to give the silicone enough time to fully cure. One of the last things to do is to take the newest blade and match up the weathering so they're a proper set. Then it's just a matter of reassembling all the parts and mechanisms, and what we end up with is this.